Welcome to all in my arts channel, that is Arts Pro Tips. And in this video, we will discuss about the types of essays. So, without further delay, start the video. First type of essay is agree disagree essay. Agree disagree essay. In this essay, either you have to fully agree with the given statement or have to fully disagree with the full statement. Either go in favor or in opposition of the given statement. And next option is available is partial agreement. You can give your 50-50, like 50% you are agree with the situation and 50% you are disagree with the given statement. So first essay is the agree disagree type, and it can be performed by 3 ways. Next is the causes and solution essay. Give the causes of some problem and also give it solutions. Or other name of this essay is problem solution essay. Like what are the problem of pollution and or causes of pollution, and gives the solution of this problem. Next essay is the discussion essay. In discussion essay, we would get the statement in two different ways. Like if some statement is given to you and then asked discuss both the views, like two statements are connected and asked to discuss both the views. Or second type of this discussion essay, question could be asked like discuss both the views and give your opinion. If it has been written like give your opinion, then you have to give your opinion, like what you think about this statement, what you personally think. Here you would not talk about what people think. Here your personal opinion matters. And if asked only discuss both the views, no opinion is demanded, then you should not have to give your opinion. So we should stick to the statement what has been asked, right? Next is the advantages disadvantages essay. In this type of essay, you have been asked like what are the advantages of something like, or what are the disadvantages of something like this. So you have to perform the task accordingly. Next is the outweigh essay. Outweigh essay is somehow a kind of advantage disadvantage essay, but this statement comes in a different way. For example, do advantages outweigh disadvantages? मीन्स कि जो एडवांटेजेस हैं वो जो हैं डिसएडवांटेजेस को कवर अप कर रही हैं, मतलब एडवांटेजेस इतनी ज़्यादा हैं कि उस चीज़ की डिसएडवांटेजेस बहुत कम है. लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन कैन could become like this: the mobile phone uses or mobile phone have the advantages of mobile phones outweigh its disadvantages. कि जो मोबाइल फ़ोन है उसका जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसकी जो एडवांटेजेस हैं, उससे जो फ़ायदे हो रहे हैं, मोबाइल फ़ोन का यूज़ करने के जो फ़ायदे हो रहे हैं वो फ़ायदे जो हैं उसके होने वाले नुकसान से ज़्यादा हैं, ये पूछा गया है इसमें, राइट? सो दीज आर ऑल योर टाइप्स ऑफ एसेज and we will discuss each type of essay in detail with format of each type of essay, how to write the introduction, body paragraphs, and the conclusion of each type of essay is written in different type. So for further videos, like, comment and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and you will definitely get your desired band score by following this channel without taking any paid coaching from any institute. According to me, like in my personal opinion, it is totally a wastage of time and wastage of money as well. If you paid a huge amount to a coaching center and spend your hours like 4 to 5 hours or in a day to take your coaching, and you were ended up in the last like nothing. If you didn't get your desired score by taking highly paid coachings in the institute, then eventually it will all go in the vain only. So follow this channel, subscribe this, and continue by following continue these videos. You will definitely get more clear view of what IELTS exam is about. So thank you very much. Till then, bye.